Hey guys, we're going to count by different numbers today. So in the past, we learned about counting by fives. We said that it was like a little song: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Counting by fives. Next, we're going to count by tens. This is what we're going to work on today, is counting by tens. All right, so 10 is two fives put together. All right, so when we're looking at the hundredths chart and we're counting by tens, we're just going to go down the tens row. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And this is actually how we count when we count dimes. Remember, dime, dime, little and thin. I remember your word 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Bye, guys.